Hello, my name is Ed Thompson. Welcome to the Evidentia tutorial series. In the last tutorial, I demonstrated how you can create a possibility tree for the Cousin Tracker. In this tutorial, I want to show the features of the Cousin Tracker main screen that help you track your cousin-related research. As before, I access the Cousin Tracker from the menu icon. Since I created a cousin log last tutorial, I simply need to select it from the list. The list displays all the available logs. Logs with a green check mark indicate the proof is complete. Logs with yellow check marks indicate the proofs are complete but require review. This is likely because one of the supporting proofs needs review. I will come back to that later. Selecting a log shows the possibility tree I previously created. The tree shows two direct lines, the line between you and the most recent common ancestor, and the line between your possible cousin and the most recent common ancestor. See how the gender is represented by the color of the name: blue for boys, pink for girls. This makes it easier to identify DNA testing that could help improving the relationship. A person without a gender assigned displays in gray. Subjects can be edited in the List Manager, but as a shortcut you can edit a subject by clicking on the name. Your goal in proving the cousin relationship is to prove each parent-child relationship in both direct lines. Evidentia is using your own proofs as evidence for this cousin proof. Parent-child relationships that are already proven are indicated by a green check mark. If evidence exists for a parent-child relationship, but the proof is not complete, the relationship will show an In Progress label. Clicking on the check mark or the In Progress label will take you to the Analyze Evidence screen for that relationship. The main Cousin Tracker screen includes fields for you to document your current conclusion. The expectation is that you will summarize your findings in this box. Like the conclusion box on the Analyze Evidence screen, you can flag a conclusion as inconclusive, meaning you don't think the evidence is strong enough yet. You can also flag the conclusion as disproven, which means that this cousin relationship is not supported by the evidence. And if any of the proofs used to support the direct lines need review, then Evidentia will flag this review as needing review. Once you have reviewed your proofs, you will want to uncheck this box. Supporting proofs usually need review because some piece of evidence used to support it has been deleted, or because new evidence for this proof has been added. In our final tutorial for the Evidentia Cousin Tracker, I will explore the reports Evidentia offers to help you in your research.